Yeah, prosecutors have painted a much clearer picture of what they say led to the shooting. It happened here at Turnkey Park. There's still a memorial for that 13-year-old boy. In fact, people have been stopping by throughout the night to pay their respects. Now, one of multiple suspects is behind bars, accused of planning a robbery that ended in murder.
Good afternoon, sir.
Days after a deadly shooting, this man now facing murder charges.
The fact that this happened in a residential neighborhood in a park that children were playing in nearby and narrowly missed shooting this victim's sister, who was on the same ATV as him, along with other victims fleeing in this case, is gravely serious.
We're not yet naming the suspect because formal charges haven't been filed, but prosecutors say he set up a robbery at Turnkey Park in Kent on Tuesday, arranging to buy a camera.
The simple fact of this matter is all evidence points to the fact that this was an intended robbery.
According to court documents, the suspect showed up with another man, and as the two sides negotiated, another guy showed up and pulled a gun. Things got physical. Shots were fired. Police say 13-year-old Matthew Stavkoviy was shot as he tried escaping the chaos, driving away with his sister on an ATV. The two were only described as acquaintances of the person selling the camera. This killing has rocked the community. An emotional prayer service at the Young Teens Church where he himself has offered prayers in the past.
Today is the day for repentance because God is our loving Father. Amen.
In court, the suspect's lawyer downplayed his involvement.
So at most, we know that Mr. witnessed a shooting.
In justifying the charges, prosecutors say the suspect left the park in a getaway car with the other men who have not yet been identified, arguing the evidence says there was a plan in place. State law allows for anyone involved in a robbery that winds up with somebody dying can be charged with murder. This suspect is also facing attempted murder charges because the victim's sister was just inches away when shots were fired. He's scheduled to be back in court next week. Live in Kent, Jim Nelson, King 5 News.